People are slowly joining. Teacher is joined. Dr. Ramya joined. Vidita ROC joined. Lavanya Moses. Nitya. People are slowly joining. Nikhilesh joined. Vivo 1901. Okay. We shall wait for another 20 seconds. Let others join. Vivo 1804. Okay. I'm just tracking whether people are coming. I'm waiting for them. Okay, some people have joined. I don't think about others. We shall start the session. Okay, this sentence has two different parts. I have discriminated with the two colors. When we see Vadivelu's picture, first part, when we bust to laugh continuously, second part. Okay, good. There are two different parts. How we are going to learn these two different parts using complex sentences. For complex sentences, it's come now. The first part is called subordinate class. The first part is called subordinate class. The second part is called main class. Now we shall get clarity about main class. Someone is touching the monitor, scribbling. Please don't touch. Thank you so much. So sweet. We burst to laugh continuously. There is a subject. I write here. We have a subject. We have verb, subject, verb, and preposition. Preposition connects another verb and ends with adverb. So this sentence has complete meaning. When a sentence has complete meaning, it is called main class. When a sentence has complete meaning, it is called main class. Now come to the first portion. I'm going to erase this page. Now come to first portion. Someone has scribbled with a red color marker. Please don't touch the screen. It will be showing in all the participants' monitor. Please erase in your side. Okay, people still doing the same. No problem. Now we focus on the first part. When we see Vadivelu's picture, this is the first part. I have named it as subordinate class because the main class is called independent. It is called independent class. Independent class because it has meaning. It has meaning. Whereas now come to subordinate class, it is dependent. It has no complete meaning. It is dependent, has no complete meaning. Now you please hide the monitor with your hands, but don't touch your hand. When we see Vadivelu's picture, this is the only statement I have given. When we see Vadivelu's picture, what happens? Do you cry? Do you cry? Do you jump into the river? Do you jump into the well? What do you do? When we see Vadivelu's picture, the meaning is not completed. So only we call it as subordinate class. We must to laugh continuously. So we are dependent to main class. The statement is dependent to main class, whereas we must to laugh continuously is independent class. It has complete meaning. Okay, fine. Is this clear? Shall we move to the next slide? Okay, we move to the next. Though, see the picture of Vadivelu. Though Vadivelu's building is strong, his basement is weak. How are we going to get a example for the statement? Though Vadivelu's building is strong, his basement is weak. This is the example for complex sentence. Though Vadivelu's building is strong, is subordinate class, and his basement is weak has complete meaning. This is main class. Right again. This is called independent class. Independent class. I told you in the beginning, a class has 3 types: main class, independent class, and the next is and the third is principal class. Principal class. Is this clear? The main class is having 3 different names: main class, independent class, principal class. So all mean that complete meaning in sense. Complete meaning in sense. Okay. I hope main class is clear. Again, subordinate class. It is dependent. Subordinate class is nothing but kids. Okay. Nothing but kids. Kids are always dependent to parents. In Indian culture, kids are dependent to parents. So, the dependent class is called subordinate class. Though Vadivelu's building is strong, what next? We need some support. The support is additional part of the sentence. His basement is weak. His basement is weak. Okay. See here, I erased all the portion. Though is the subordinating conjunction. Though is the subordinating conjunction. Is this clear? Vadivelu's building is strong, main class. His basement is weak, main class. When you include though with Vadivelu's building is strong, the main class becomes subordinate class because we have added subordinating conjunction. Conjunction means nothing. Connecting word. Conjunction means nothing. Connecting word or linking word or joining word. Connecting word. Is this clear? Okay. This Vadivelu is very happy. This Vadivelu is very happy. What is the reason? There are 2 parts again. First part and second part. As today is a government holiday, Vadivelu feels very happy. Vadivelu feels very happy is the main class. It has complete meaning. As today is a government holiday, it has no complete meaning. This is called subordinate class. We shall see why it is a subordinate class, because as is the subordinating conjunction. As is the subordinating conjunction. We should check now. Yeah, I'm right. Did you guess correctly? If you have guessed correctly, you are also right. As today is a government holiday, is subordinate class. Vadivelu feels very happy. Who feels very happy? Pranesh feels very happy. Mohit Saran feels very happy. We can frame any sentence here. Nitya feels very happy. Priya feels very happy. Vijay feels very happy. We can write any sentence. Okay. I hope this is clear now. So as is the subordinating conjunction. We are learning just the basic structure now. Tomorrow only we are going to learn the rules. We are going to apply the rules tomorrow. A lot of rules are there. We are going to apply the rules. Chatting now. I take a 5 minutes second. Shai Kamim, I mean, very useful session too for us. Thank you. Shai Kamim, I mean, from where you are? May I know from where you are? Okay. Okay, thanks for your valuable comment. Fine. Now we move to the last part. Today we complete with two types of sentences, simple and complex with the basic structures. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the compound sentences. The compound sentences have two main classes. Imagine two main classes connected. There is no difference. See here, two main classes are nothing but two sentences, but there is a slight difference. There will be a slight difference between complex and compound. It is connected with subordinating conjunction, whereas the compound sentence is connected with coordinating conjunction. With coordinating conjunction, here we use it with subordinating conjunction. Here underline for your easy understanding. Complex sentence is connecting two different sentences with subordinating conjunction, whereas the compound connects using coordinating conjunction word and connects two main classes. Connects two main classes. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the compound, but we shall see two examples. Examples for compound. Sorry, change here. Just a minute. Just a second, please. Okay, fine. Vadavelu's building is very strong. Vadavelu's building is very strong. First part gets over. See, the first sentence gets over. This is sentence 1. The sentence 1 is otherwise called as main class 1. His basement is very weak. We have complete meaning. Sentence 2. This is what called main class 2. These two main classes are connected with a conjunction. A conjunction, but conjunction is nothing but connecting word. Conjunction, it is called a linking word or joining word. When we use the but, we connect two different sentences. Vadavelu's building is very strong, but his basement is very weak. Building only strong, basement is very weak. I hope this is clear. You have connected with the conjunction. You can discriminate these two sentences into two different statements. Now come to the next example. We saw the poster and at once we started to laugh to see Vadivelu. We saw the poster, sentence 1. We started to laugh to see Vadivelu, sentence 2. And at once, conjunction. Shall we check now? Yes. Main class 1, main class 2, and at once is conjunction. So to become master in simple, complex and compound sentences, we have to frame simple sentences in the beginning, and we need to choose apt connectives and We have to construct error-free sentences. So we are going to learn tomorrow the conjunction words and we are going to apply rules. Now I introduce my screen is visible to all. Is my screen visible? Just wait. I thought the screen was not visible. I teach you again. Please bear with me. Okay, come now. Okay, fine. Vadivelu's building is strong. If there are two sentences, I teach you from the beginning. This is sentence 1. His basement is very weak. Sentence 2. These two sentences are connected with the conjunction but. So the sentence 1 is called as main class. Now it is clear. Any sentence is called main class. Sentence 2 is called as main class 2. These two statements are connected with conjunction. Conjunction is otherwise called a linking word or joining word. We move to the next one. We saw the poster. First underline. This is sentence 1. We started to laugh to see Vadivelu. Sentence 2. The sentence 1 and sentence 2 are connected with the conjunction to show the relationship between we saw the poster and we started to laugh to see Vadivelu. Let's see. The sentence 1 is known as main class 1. Sentence 2 is called as main class 2. These two are having relationship now with the linking word or connection word. Okay. So with this example, I stop today. I'm going to give you the rules. So frame simple sentences and choose arc connectives. First thing is frame simple sentences. Choose arc connectives to convert into complex sentence or compound sentence and construct error-free sentences. Only these three things we have to do. Tomorrow we are going to discuss and apply rules. I'm showing you the rules here. Please take a screenshot and write neatly in your note and come tomorrow. Be prepared. Don't worry, I will also give you examples. Please take a screenshot in your note. For kids who are below 10 or 12, parents can assist for their easy understanding. Okay, hope we have taken a screenshot. Tomorrow we are going to discuss on the rules here. Seen here, this is the complete rules. Even if you happen to miss tomorrow's class, no need to worry, you can construct your own sentence using this table column of rules, what I have prepared for you. This is what we are going to discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow you cannot expect a Vadivelu for all, but for few examples we can use Vadivelu. If time permits, I shall use Vadivelu for all. No problem. If you all come back, I will use. Will you all come back? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy today's session? Post your feedback in your chat box, please. Was Vadivelu helping you to learn grammar? Was Vadivelu helping you to learn grammar? Okay, Saran. Did you enjoy? Okay, what about others? If Vadivelu had bored you, tomorrow I will come with, I want to use Vadivelu. That's the one thing. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mohit Saran. Oh, you enjoyed. Okay, I unmute you all now. If you wish to share your feedback and your expectation for tomorrow's class, you can interact. Now I unmute you all. You can speak one by one. Please wait. You all are unmuted. Now you all are unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can give your feedback if you wish to. Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
We enjoyed a lot, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Was the session useful? Sai Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I
Session is
share
highly
the slides later. Yes. Yes, Madam Sarita Gupta is there. Madam Sarita Gupta, may I get your feedback for tomorrow's session to adopt any modifications required? Madam Sarita Gupta, Sri Satish, and Dr. D. Shantakumari, Madam. Sarita Gupta, Madam is there. Dr. D. Shantakumari, Madam. Is there any feedback you wish to tell? All are unmuted. Still, some people are muted. Okay. Okay. Pranesh is not missing here. What about Divya Rajkumar? Divya? I mean,
Yes,
audible?
nice session, Priya ma'am.
Yeah, Divya?
Yes, nice session, Priya ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Is this Divya or Divya's son?
Is Divya.
Divya, you call me Divya.
Yes, Divya.
Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed. We can meet tomorrow also. Thank you so much. Thanks for
Thank you,
sending.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Take rest. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.